I think this kind of congress of 400 participants of all over the world is a great thing because we can exchange each other. So I'm living in Austria, I have my family in Austria, I have patients of Austria. And it's very interesting to meet colleagues all over the world and hearing their point of view, and I see it's everywhere the same. So that's very impressive for me. I think it is especially important that we meet here in a university, because the university was always the place where ideas came together and we were developing new ideas and understandings and fitting together the puzzle of science. I'm a psychiatrist and I meet with sociologists and all other parts of scientists. So the university is the place where we meet. That's clear.